Question number 10. The contractile vacuole found in euglenoid regulates A. Food ingestion, B. Animal movement, C. Food digestion, D. Water expel outside of the cell. Think about it. What is the contractile vacuole? What is the function of the contractile vacuole? Of course, D. Water expel outside of the cell. Okay. And here is the contractile vacuole. And this is the euglenoid. In order to understand properly, okay, keep in mind that the euglenoid live in fresh water. In the fresh water. And in the fresh water, for sure, there is a high water potential. High water potential. And of course, inside the euglenoid, there is a lower water potential. Okay, and the water will move by osmosis from a region of their higher water potential to a region of their lower water potential by osmosis via partially permeable membranes, okay, by the process of osmosis. But if this process continues, and it's continued because outside always the water potential is higher than inside because the presence of salts inside, salts and sugar and dissolved substances inside the body of the euglenoid. This water can cause enlarge of the euglenoid, which is a unicellular organism, and then it will be burst, explode, okay, rupture. And in order to avoid this, we have one or even more contractile vacuole or vacuoles in order to take this water and expel it outside of the body in regular paces in order to maintain the osmoregulation and prevent the bursting of the living organism.